Hey guys, here we are. Saturday morning, waiting on parts to get an emergency car fixed. So I figured I'd get a little bit more done on this until the parts show up so I can get the other car done and get them taken care of. So we've got everything started. Top half is done and wrapped. So now I'll just start making my cuts to fold everything over like this, get it on and taken care of. Do my cuts here to fold over, pull everything up and around so that we cover this side, which is what is seen at the window, because that's the window side all the way around. Get that taken care of. We'll get this folded over and wrapped and get everybody nice and happy. All right, guys, I know it's not much of a video this morning, but this is just something to bide my time over until the parts come in, and then I'll be back on this on Monday. But on that note, have a good weekend.